2024 is coming up very soon, you all. Let's go get these passive earnings. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon and welcome back to The Journey. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. To stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey, be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so, and give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links in the More area under the video. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to come see us today here at The Journey. Okay everyone, a 1.65% was achieved on XedMex. Today is Thursday, December the 14th. Let's go ahead and look at the full day. 1.65, that was pretty much close to the number the day before. I like that. Amazon with a gain of 0.58. Intuit a gain of 0.30, Google a gain of 0.53, Advanced Devices a gain of 0.44, Broadcom a small loss 0.20. Again everyone, a 1.56 was achieved today. We have 35 notices over here, profits received. All right, 2 pages. Let's go to the second page, profits received. Let's mark all those as red, and those 35 notices will disappear. We will head over to the home screen. Looks like we got some restaking to do. $10 allows us to restake on that particular cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and stake, everyone. I would rattle off my profits, and these are also the cryptocurrencies you can join with or add to your account, everyone. Bitcoin has a profit of $249.05. Litecoin has a profit of $8.91. Tron has a profit of $8.90. TRC20 has a profit of $226.72. BEP20 has a profit of $3.07. BNB has a profit of $14.79, and Doge has a profit of $9.20. ERC20 has a profit of $2.67. We come over here, our return on investment is 8.58% right now, and we have earned, since we've been in the platform, $523.31. We currently have staked $6,703.94, and we have 56 items staked, everyone. We're in build mode, and when I'm in build mode, I am building like there's no tomorrow, because once I go on the diet of taking off, I'm on a diet like there's no taking off. All right, everyone, all stakes are 30 days, and you cannot add to a stake. That original amount is locked down for 30 days. However, you can pull the profits off of those stakes. Right now, that button you saw me hit, restake, I'm not pulling profits just yet. Haven't even been in this program, but barely over 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that, everyone. All right, let me go over how things proceed here. This number here reads 0 of 30. The 30 tells us all stakes are 30 days, and the 0 tells us that one is staked so recently it has not had time to get its first interest payment. The green column with the squiggly line going up tells you how much interest that stake has received since it's been in play. Rectangle box that has the white numbering tells you exactly how much of a percentage you have received, and you can pretty much figure out the rest of it, probably self-explanatory, because you can just see what is there. We're going to skip past this first line of zeros, everyone. Again, remember we have 56 stakes. I'm gonna go touch briefly on those stakes, everyone. We're gonna skip past that line that has 0. We're gonna skip past that line that has 0. So you can see, everyone, we have 6 stakes that we're skipping past. We're gonna skip past 2 more. There's 8 stakes out of our 56 that haven't received their first payment yet. They'll receive their payment by these hours, everyone. You'll see the next accrual time. So they're getting close, those zeros, of course. All right, let's go to our first stake. It's 1 day, everyone. We staked $10. It's made 16 cents, which is a 1.57% 1 day increase. We'll go now to our 2 day stakes, which have made 2.84%. We staked $13, $21, and $10. Respectively, they've made 37 cents, 60 cents, and 28 cents. We'll go ahead and go to the next line, which continues with 2-day stakes. We've staked $10, $17, and $11, and they've made 28 cents, 48 cents, and 31 cents. We'll go to the next line, which is still 2 days of 30. We staked $15, $592, and $2,700. Respectively, they have made 37 cents, $14.51, and $66.18. We're now dealing with 3 days of 30 stakes, and they have achieved a 4.02%. We staked $11, $19, and $10, and they have made 44 cents, 76 cents, and 40 cents. We're moving to the next line, which continues with 4-day stakes, and 4-day staking has made 5.97%. And we have the next 2 lines. We're going to rattle off those because they're all 4-day stakes, everyone. We staked $16, $22, and $11. We have made 95 cents, $1.31, and 66 cents. We staked $15, $10, and $11. We have made 89 cents, 59 cents, and 65 cents. We have one more stake that's 5 days. It was $15. It has made... We have a stake now for 5 days, and that stake has made 7.45%. We staked $15, and it has made $1.12. We now move to our 6th day of 30 line. And on 6 days of staking, we have made 8.93%. We staked $16 twice. That has made $1.43. We're on the line at the bottom now. We staked $14, and it made $1.25. We're moving now to 7 days of staking. And on 7 days, we achieved a 10.20%. We staked $17, and we staked $16, and we staked $200. Those stakes have made $1.73, $1.63, and $24.24. We also staked $55.23 and $485.74. They have made $5.59 and $49.14. We have one more 7-day stake of $14 that has made $1.42. We have one stake that's been staked for 8 days. We staked $10. It's made $1.17. And on 8 days, we made 11.69%. We'll go to 9 days of staking where we have 2 stakes. We staked $500 twice, and it has made $67.97, and that's a 13.5% increase on those 9 days. We're moved now to 10 days of staking where we have 3 stakes that have made 15.73%. We staked $13, $179.88, and $13. The $13 stakes, which is 2 of them, made $2.05, and the other stake made $28.30. We'll now go to our 11-day stakes. On 11 days of staking, we have achieved a 17.83%. We staked $17.20 and $13, and we have made $3.07 and $2.32. We are continuing with our 11-day stakes. We staked $50, $15, and $49.92. And we've made $8.92, $2.67, $8.90. We'll continue on with 2 more stakes that are dealing with 11 days. We staked $49.97 and $50. They have made $8.91 and $8.92, everyone. Let's go to our 12-day stakes. We have 2 of those. We staked $300 and $230. 12 days, we have received 19.34%. That is outstanding, everyone. Let's go to 13 days, which is our longest stake. So that tells you we've been in the program long enough that we've had 2 solid Monday through Fridays and then 1 extra day. And then we had another day or 2 to wait for the stake to get ripe enough to start getting proceeds. So with that said, we're probably coming up on 3 weeks in the platform, everyone. All right, everyone, I started the platform, I believe, with about $150, and I started pumping it up like the next hour. All right, everyone, let's go over these 13-day stakes. And we staked $30, $25, and $20.91. Those stakes have made 20.91%. So we've made $6.27, $5.23, and $20.91. And that's how we have been able to achieve this $523.31. Some of those little 20 and 30-cent stakes, they may not be a lot of money, you all, but people that like to frown upon pennies usually need pennies. I don't frown upon any of that. Money is money, and when you throw it all together in your wallet and you get up to the cash register and you have to throw it all out there on the line, pennies are pennies, everybody. Just certain clubs you go to, they don't want you to bring the pennies in there. All right, everyone, that's how things are proceeding there. Let's go over to our home screen. And these are the profit balances over here in our wallet, everyone. Once they hit the maximum amount, or the minimum amount, correction, we are going to stake those. It probably takes somewhere around $8 to $15 to join this platform, depending on which cryptocurrency you're using, because it's a moving target with something like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We have $9.23 of profit in Litecoin, so it's close to being staked. We have $6.34 of profit in our Bitcoin. We have $5.68 in Tron, $5.35 in Binance, $4.27 in ETH, $3.27 in USDT, and $2.85. We have Doge, $2.56, and Tron has a 2-cent profit, everyone. Our total balance amount right now is $6,743.48. And again, that is adding us $523 profit. So right now, if we could get all our money back and the platform stayed around and let us get it and unstake everything, we would be up in about 2 weeks and a day or two, $500. All right, everybody, if you're watching me, I keep a playlist of everything I'm doing. That way it's real easy to see exactly what's going on and so on and so forth. All right, everybody, again, this is XedMex. If this is a platform you're looking at, make sure you take your time, do your due diligence, find out the questions and answers you need to make an informed decision. We have one more notice before we close out. It says a stake has been started of $10. That probably was that stake I started at the beginning of the video, everyone. All right, everybody, till the next XedMex update, you all take care, and I will talk to you all. Thank you all for watching the video on our latest passive earnings.